guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and today's an exciting day because I'm sharing with you an extreme small bathroom makeover design for my hairstylist Johnny. He's wonderful, but this bathroom was needing a major refresh and upgrade in there. I do a lot of DIY projects in this space and I'm going to walk you through a more detailed account step by step on kind of how I did this refresh. Because it's such a small space, I'm gonna just share with you everything on what we do in here. I think that you're gonna really love it. I gave it like this clean, fresh, updated look for this extreme small bathroom makeover design. Check out what I do, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And again, as always, I would ask that you please subscribe to my channel to see more awesome, fun interior design and DIY videos like this one. On to the video, check out what I do. You guessed it, we're back in beautiful Hermosa Beach and just steps from the Hermosa Beach Pier for this project. When I first checked out this bathroom, I thought to myself, wow, this is a lot of green and a lot of color, but Johnny has a thing for all things New Orleans. He loves New Orleans, and he really wanted it to reflect in his space at that time. So you can see here there's a lot of green, gold, purple. It seemed like every aspect of something was painted either green, gold, or purple, and it just kind of made the space feel smaller and dark in there, and it was time for an update in this space to give him something really fresh, bright, clean, and modern. I came up with a digital mood board for this bathroom refresh. This is a rental property, so there were some things that I had to work with. One being the tile. He had an existing sky blue, baby blue tile. This apartment was from like the 50s, so I wanted to really use that as a kicking off point and kind of just work with that tile and use some black accents, some sky blue colors, and just give it like a fresh and modern look. I also like using the app Milanote to create my mood board so my clients can see all of the suggested shopping items, see the photos, click the links, and directly make purchases. It makes things so much easier. I am in Johnny's bathroom and we are in day one of this bathroom makeover. This is going to be a huge transformation. As you can see, it is very, very green in here. So I'm kind of just clearing things out to start with a fresh canvas. I'm like going to remove this shelf and the old blinds and all the other stuff, and we are going to get going in here. It's going to look so good. So these walls had a lot of previous damage. There were like paint drips on the walls, lots of holes, imperfections in the texture of the wall. I like using this dry deck spackling to cover the imperfections, and I like this because it goes on pink and then it dries white. And so here you can see me just like spackling all of the areas that needed help, and afterwards I'm going to go over it after it's completely dry and sand so we have a clean canvas to start before we paint. So, I'm in Johnny's bathroom and I am going to attempt something first time on my channel is we are going to change out this light fixture. So I've done this in my own apartment, but also I accidentally what is it called? I burnt a fuse like in the entire building, so my landlord wasn't too pleased about that. But the most important thing is that we want to turn off the breaker box. So I just went downstairs and turned off his breaker box, and now I'm going to take this off, and we got this really pretty one from Wayfair. It's black and it's just way better. So while our spackling on the wall is drying, I'm going to go ahead and get started with this project. I'm assuming that this has been painted over a lot of times because this is an old building, an old place. So I'm gonna use a box cutter to just cut around the edge to make sure that no paint is like attached to it. And I want to do this before I paint because it's just going to be better. Oh. That is not a pleasant sound. I got it off! So you can see there was like all of this up there connected to all the wires in the back. I am certainly no electrician, and if you don't feel comfortable doing this, then you should definitely hire somebody. But you can see my ground wire, the white wire, and the black wire. All of the wires, when we get the new one out, we're gonna attach the white wire to the white wire, the black one to the black one, and the ground one to the ground, and we're gonna cap them off. Hopefully I can do this. So far, so good, but I have faith in myself because I can do anything. But you see, I'm kind of glad that I took it off because I'm gonna be painting and that needs to be patched a little bit up there. There's like a really big thing happening. So I'm gonna do that first. I can do anything. Hopefully I don't electrocute myself. Hopefully I don't electrocute myself. Okay, I don't know if I did it or not, but if I did, I'm gonna be really excited. Oh my god, I freaking did it! Woohoo! I did it, I did it, I did it! I didn't die, I didn't electrocute myself either. Now I am getting ready to paint this ceiling. This bathroom is a lot of work, but it's gonna be so good when it's all done. And this is really just like the biggest part of this project, is prepping all of the walls, fixing all the holes, sanding them all down, painting everything. But I've gotten a good amount done, and I'm hoping that I can finish most of the painting today. So I'll let you know how it goes. Day 2, and I'm back to building another shelf. There's so many parts. Hopefully it won't take me forever. But I got a beautiful view of the ocean, and we got a little friend here. Where's he? Let's look! Look! Helping? He's so sad. You want to go home? Okay, we'll go home. So I'm back in Johnny's bathroom today, and it feels so fresh in here. It's so nice for it to not be so green in here. And so today's kind of wrapping up my last day here. I've done all of the painting and fixing the walls and the lighting and all that good stuff. But today I'm gonna be tackling this floor. It's just kind of like a standard linoleum tile that like came with the apartment, and it's not terrible, but it could be better. So I found on Etsy, I think they're called Snazzy decals, and it's just like these tile decals that go over the tile. They're supposedly like super durable and waterproof and all of those good things. So I think that this is going to be a really affordable way to kind of update the tile in here. And this one that we got, like, I'll show you closer, but it actually like printed with the grout on, so you can have it printed with grout or without grout. I had it printed with grout because these are faux tiles that I'm covering. So let's get to it. The materials we need are like a wallpaper flat edge like scraper thing, and obviously our tiles and a box cutter. So I am going to start where there's like a full tile, so I can just put that like so, versus me starting in the corner. I'm gonna start in one full tile, and then I'll cut areas for the smaller places. So it says to position the tile to peel off the back. Fold this in half. And then I just slightly pull. Hey, it looks pretty good. Now here's the pretty tricky part about doing these DIY tiles. They are pretty easy to use, but when you come to a place like around a toilet or an area that you have to cut, I just laid the tiles down as I normally did previously and kind of used that wallpaper scraper to kind of make a mark, and then used my box cutter to cut around. If I really wanted to make this seamless, I could add caulking around the toilet and you wouldn't see those little slight imperfections. It's so good! I'm obsessed. What a big difference. Small space. Hey, hello. Hairstylist Johnny. He's amazing. He keeps my hair looking fresh and young all the time. Why did I say that? Stupid fresh and young. Doesn't make any sense. I don't know about all of this. What the fuck is this? Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Summer, and today's an exciting video. Got the light up and I didn't die.